Deep inside a renowned sculptor's workshop, two identical blocks of marble sat side by side. Both had been quarried from the same mountain, possessed the same fine texture, and held the same potential. One day, the sculptor walked into the studio, picked up his chisel and mallet, and approached the first block of marble. As the heavy iron chisel struck the stone, a sharp pain vibrated through the block. "Stop! Please! Leave me alone!" the first block cried out. "The blows are too heavy, and the sharp edge hurts too much. I cannot bear this suffering. Just let me stay as I am." The sculptor, being a compassionate man, sighed and nodded. "Very well," he said gently. He laid down his tools, walked over to the second block of marble, and began to strike. The second block felt the same intense, piercing pain. Every strike of the mallet sent shockwaves through its core, and every scrape of the chisel peeled away a part of what it used to be. But instead of crying out to stop, the second block whispered to itself, "The master knows what he is doing. There must be a purpose to this pain." Whenever the pressure felt unbearable, the second block braced itself, enduring the friction, the dust, and the sharp cuts, trusting the process. Weeks passed. The first block of marble sat comfortably in the corner, completely untouched, smooth and safe. Meanwhile, the second block was constantly subjected to chipping, filing, and polishing. Finally, the sculptor finished his work. From the second block of marble, he had carved a breathtaking, magnificent statue of a soaring eagle. It was a masterpiece of strength, grace, and beauty. The statue was placed in the center of a grand public square, where thousands of people gathered daily to admire it, photograph it, and marvel at its excellence. And the first block of marble? Because it was sturdy and flat, it was placed on the ground, right in front of the statue, to serve as a stepping stone for the crowds who came to look at the masterpiece. One quiet night, the stepping stone looked up at the statue and whispered bitterly, "It isn't fair. We came from the same mountain. We are made of the exact same stone. Yet, everyone admires you, while they trample all over me. Why did life treat us so differently?" The statue looked down with deep empathy and replied, "My friend, remember the day the sculptor came to you? You refused to bear the pain of the chisel. You wanted comfort and safety. Because you refused to be broken, you could never be shaped. I did not win this glory by chance. I endured the blows that you avoided." The difficulties, pressures, and sharp cuts we face in life are rarely meant to destroy us. Often, they are the very tools shaping us into something stronger, wiser, and far more beautiful than we were before. Comfort keeps us unchanged, but endurance transforms us into masterpieces.